E-com's quiz. Quick tips from Retail-Outsource. Please like, share and comment on our videos. I'm Aaron and let's see how to create a manual PPC or pay-per-click campaign. First, you need to go to your Seller Central and click on Advertising. From the drop-down, choose the Campaign Manager. You can see the dashboard for the campaigns. From the dashboard, scroll down to Create Campaign. It takes you to a page where you can choose the type of ad to be done. You can choose either sponsored products to target your products or sponsored brands to target your brand. Here, I'm choosing sponsored products. Click Continue and it takes you to the Create Campaign page where you can add the details. First, set a name for your campaign. Now set the date, the start date, and the end date. If you're planning to run your campaign for a certain period of time, then set the daily budget for the campaign. Next is the targeting. Here, you can choose what type of targeting you need for your products. You have automatic and manual. Here, I'm choosing manual targeting. So in manual targeting, you need to set the keywords manually to be targeted for the products. Next is bid setting. I have selected dynamic bids only. Once it's done, you need to create an ad group. Give a name for the ad group. Now, it's time to choose your products. So it can either be searched on the list by the product name or entered through a list or uploaded as a CSV file. Here, I'm searching the product name. So once I click in my product name, the list pops in. Add the products and the variations. And to add the variations, click on Add Variations and it gets added onto it. And then you can click on Add to add the listing. Once the products are added to the list, you need to move on to the targeting. From keyword targeting and product targeting, I choose keyword targeting. Keywords research can be done for products using keyword research tools like Helium 10, Sonar, Keyword Low, Keyword Planner, etc. Here, I have collected the keywords using Helium 10 and prepared an Excel sheet. Now, choose the keywords from the sheet and enter the campaign. So once you enter it in, well, there are three keywords can be given in three types: broad, phrase, or exact. I usually set the keywords to phrase and exact type. Choose enter list once you've set it and choose the match type. So it is what I've chosen here is the phrase, and now it's time to enter the keywords. Amazon shows a suggested bid for each keyword. However, you can set the bid too. Once it's done, you can choose or set your negative keywords here, and once that's done, the campaign can be launched. Once launched, it's successfully launched, and you can go to Campaign Manager to check. You can see the campaign is now showing as delivering on the dashboard. Thank you. And if you have further comments or any questions, please comment on the video. If you're selling on eBay or Amazon, you could book a 30-minute free consultation from the link on the description.